Hey Guitars. Let's go build some junk. I will continue to repeat ad nauseum as long as I ever do this. Always dry run. Always, 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 always dry run a glue up. Even a simple one. It looks like we can get away with squeezy clamps all around, which should be cool. Then afterwards we'll cut the hole here. Once everything's glued solid, it'll be easy. I'm leaving the nut in place just at the moment so we can mash right up to it as tight as possible, because I want it to snap in. You know what I mean? So, here we go. Nut is definitely tight. Wow. It's good, since I didn't think to actually press it up there and check it like I should have. That's the whole point of this, but looks like all turned out well, so I think we're good. Alright, now we wait. Spindle sander. Maybe it's a little premature to do this. Maybe. I can't help it. I've been itching for this moment for a while. We're gonna stay in the top. You know, like I said, if we have to redo something, it's not the end of the world. So, you know, whatever. But I already stained the medallion, so I'm kind of anxious to work in the rest. Now, I want just a little bit of pink around, which will all be feathered. Well, that will be considerably darker. We may sand that back and go again, just for fun. We'll see. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. let's see about doing this the right way now. Where the pink is gonna be, I'm gonna do a base of dark purple, and then where the purple is gonna be, we want some black. I'm gonna feather that just a little. If you're not familiar with the concept, well, not supposed to, but if you start with a dark base to really get into the end grain, and then when you sand it back and put color over it, it'll really make that pattern pop a lot more. This probably wouldn't hurt for us to redo that as well. Except I'm not going to worry about it so much. I think just being purple on the edge will be just fine. We're probably close to dry at this point. However, heat gun will help that speed up. Looks fairly horrific at the moment, doesn't it? It won't last. We may have to sand that back and do it again just because the purple is just a little too purple. I got it a little stronger than I planned. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It's quite a bit darker than the medallion. Still looks cool though. Yeah, we may still have to do a little more color. I mean, a little less color. Another round of staining, I mean. Thanks for swinging by. It means the world to me that people actually watch and find some value in my goofy shenanigans. If you're one of those people, then do me a favor and like the video and subscribe so you can catch the, future junk coming up. So we always got stuff to do. So meet me back here next time. Bye.